I put too much refrigerant onto it. So I'm gonna show you how to start removing some of it and putting it back into the refrigerant tank. This is just a little trick I learned. So what I did, I left the refrigerant tank connected to the refrigerant hose, and I open up the high side and the refrigerant valve, and the compressor itself is pumping it into the tank. You can see the numbers going up. This is a little trick that you can use if you put too much refrigerant into the unit when you are